Today, I am reviewing the MCombo Electric Power Lift Recliner with massage. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The core feature of this chair is the motorized power lift assistance, and this is where the engineering truly matters. It uses a heavy-duty counterbalance lift mechanism powered by a TUV-certified actuator. Instead of just tilting forward like some cheap recliners do, which can cause someone to lose their balance, the entire base of this chair pushes upwards smoothly and evenly. It tilts forward just enough at the peak of its height to assist the user into a natural standing position without placing any strain on their lower back, hips, or knees. When reversing the motion to sit down, the motor lowers the user gently into a fully supported seated position. The movement is remarkably quiet, fluid, and free of any jarring jerks or sudden drops. The hand remote control has been redesigned with simplified, illuminated buttons, making it incredibly easy to navigate even in a dark room or for individuals with limited hand dexterity or vision impairments. Assembly is another area where this chair stands out. Setting up specialized furniture can often be a logistical nightmare, but the manufacturer designed a unique interlocking structure and wiring setup that requires absolutely no tools. It ships in 2 separate boxes, which makes it much easier to maneuver through tight hallways and standard door frames. Once the pieces are inside, a novice can fully assemble the chair in roughly 15 minutes. The backrest slides firmly into the base brackets with a satisfying mechanical click, and the color-coded wiring harnesses snap together intuitively. When it comes to comfort and materials, the medium-sized variant is specifically engineered for individuals between 5 feet 1 inch and feet 9 inches tall, offering a maximum reclining angle of 140 degrees across 3 main positions. The upholstery is made of a high-quality faux leather that feels surprisingly supple and soft to the touch, while avoiding that rigid, plastic feeling common in budget alternatives. More importantly for elderly care, this material is incredibly easy to maintain. It can be wiped down completely with a simple damp lint-free cloth, requiring no expensive leather oils, special creams, or waxes. Spillages or accidental messes can be cleaned up in seconds without staining or seeping into the dense interior foam cushioning. Underneath that upholstery, the structural foundation is anchored by a Forest Stewardship Council certified wooden frame, ensuring that the interior build is legally sourced and structurally stable. The additional wellness features add a significant layer of everyday comfort. The chair is equipped with an 8-point full-body vibration massage system strategically placed around the backrest, lumbar area, thighs, and calves, paired with a dedicated lumbar heating point. The heating element functions completely independently from the vibration modes, which is fantastic if someone just wants a soothing warmth on their lower back without any physical motion. Both systems include an automatic shut-off timer that can be set for 15, 30, or 60 minutes. This is a critical safety feature, ensuring that if a user accidentally falls asleep while enjoying the warmth, the heating element will turn off automatically to prevent overheating or skin irritation. For convenience, the armrests are outfitted with dual cup holders and dual-side storage pockets, allowing users to keep water, medications, eyeglasses, and the remote control neatly tucked away within arm's reach. There are also dual USB charging ports built directly into the assembly. It is important to note that these USB ports are strictly designed for low-power electronics like standard smartphones or tablets, so you cannot use them to power heavy-duty medical equipment or large laptops, but they are incredibly convenient for keeping a phone fully charged throughout the day. If there are any downsides to consider, the hard limitation is the sizing. If the primary user is taller than 5 feet 9 inches, their head will likely extend past the top of the backrest, and their feet will hang uncomfortably far over the footrest when fully reclined. For taller individuals, you will definitely want to look into their large or extra-large sizing brackets instead. Additionally, the massage feature relies purely on localized vibration points rather than deep-tissue mechanical rollers, so it provides a gentle, relaxing sensory hum rather than an intense therapeutic massage. To give you peace of mind, the chair comes backed by a solid 2-year limited warranty that covers free replacements for the lifting mechanisms, electrical components, upholstery, cushions, and the frame structure. Ultimately, the MCombo Power Lift Recliner successfully delivers on its core promises. It provides smooth, independent mobility, excellent stability, easy maintenance, and user-friendly safety features, making it an incredibly reliable and practical investment for anyone looking to maintain their independence or improve their comfort at home.